can hear me. Yes, I'm here. I'll just show you where I'm at with the noise. We're at Ladybower Reservoir. I'll come over here out the way a bit. We're at Ladybower Reservoir today, and I'm hoping to get some images of the sinkholes as the water's going down, if I can, and a couple of nice water images around the reservoir. I had to have a stupid diversion on my way here. One of the roads was closed, so I didn't get here till late, but never mind. I'm hoping to get some really nice footage with the cameras. I've done some drone footage. I'm hoping to get some nice images. I'm hoping to get some half decent video so we can put a video together. Okay guys, so I'll tell you what I'll do with you. Sorry about the noise. I'll speak to you later. Bye for now. Hi guys, welcome back. Believe it or not, it's lunchtime already, so I'm going to have my lunch. But I've just taken a few shots of the sinkholes, so hopefully, if they're any good, I'll pop one up now. See what it's like. Oh, wasn't bad, was it? Hey, not bad. Anyway, I've done a few more of the sinkholes. We'll put them up at the end, and I'm just on my way to the other end of the reservoir, to the bridge. I'm going to do some, hopefully some long exposure ones under the bridge, along the bridge, so they should look quite nice if I can get that. And if I can get further along, I'm going to get to the dam where the water's coming over the dam, and I'll try and get a few images there. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Keep smiling. Now leave me, will you? I'm having my lunch. Leave me alone for God's sake. Hey, speak to you later. Bye for now. Hi guys, welcome back. Just had my bit of lunch, as you know, and I'm just heading now back to the car because we're going to move over to the bridge. I want to try and get some images of the bridge if I can, and then beyond that up to the dam. So we'll try and get some images of the dam itself with the water coming over. Because of the amount of rain we've had, there's always going to be loads of water, won't there? So the reservoir's over full, so it's overflowing in all different places. As you saw with the sinkholes, there's that much water in it. So let's see what happens, eh? Let's give it a go. I'm just getting towards my car now. That's what I'll do with you. Speak to you later. Bye for now. Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm on the edge of the reservoir. I've got down as low as I can get to the reservoir, as you can see, and what my task is to get that bridge and all the arches. I'm going to have a couple of shots. I'm going to do one just normal exposure to see how that looks, and then I'm going to try and get a long exposure, see if that'll give me some good movement in the sky and slow the movement right down on the water. So as you can see, I haven't even got my camera off yet, but we'll give it a go. Hey, speak to you in a bit. Bye for now. Hi guys, welcome back. So my plan is to get that image on a long exposure. So I'm going to try it. I've got a remote on, as you can see. It's already on bulb. So the plan is to press this and give it 40 seconds. Let's give it a go. Now that'll run for 40 seconds. I've got a timer on the camera, so I know when to stop it. And what it should do in theory is flatten all the water to a still calm water, and then it should also give us some movement in the clouds, because the clouds are moving, so it may just mix the clouds up. I'm right on the edge of the water. I mean, look, I can't get any closer, and I daren't get any closer. I shouldn't really be down here, but hey ho. But I want to try and see what happens and if I can get a decent image, at least one decent image while I've come all this way today. I don't know how good the sinkholes are going to be. You will have seen it already by now. How good is it? I don't know. Okay, stop that. Okay, well that's not bad. I'll just do that. I should be able to show it you. I don't know if you can see that or not, can you? There you go. That's it. Seems to be okay. Been joined by some geese. Seems to be okay, but again, you don't know, do you, till you've done it. So I'm going to do a couple of more. According to a guy who I've just seen, the water's virtually stopped coming over the dam at the far end. So I'm going to do these two, and then I'm going to head back and see what I've got. But I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll chat to you when I get back to the car. Hey, speak to you soon. Bye for now. Hi guys, well I'm still here. I'm still trying to get this shot. I don't know how many I've done so far, but I'm currently up to about 1 minute 35 on bulb mode, so I'm trying to really flatten the water, but to get some movement in the sky. Now the sky's pretty grey in fairness, so I might not get the movement in the sky. What I am getting that's driving me insane is two bloody geese bobbing up and down where I'm trying to flatten the water, so I might have to do some work in that on post-processing for them, get rid of them. But actually, it's quite nice sat here. Actually, I'm on the bank of the river, of the estuary. It's quite comfortable. I think I'm going to call it a day after this shot. I don't know how many this will be, but obviously, if they're any good, I'll pop one or two up, and I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll speak to you before it. Well, when I get back to the car, we'll have a chat, and then I'll call it a day. Hey, know what I'm saying? Keep smiling. Bye for now.